Hello students, how are you? So today our topic for 6th class geography is minerals. So let us start. First of all, what is a mineral? A mineral can be defined as a pure inorganic. What is inorganic? A chemical compound that lacks carbon hydrogen bonds. So a mineral can be defined as a pure inorganic substances that naturally occur in the Earth's crust. Or we can also define minerals may be defined as a natural occurring substance that has a definite chemical composition. So in the first two pictures, you can see the minerals over there. In the second, you can see the gold mineral is over there. So minerals may consist of one or more than one element. In the third picture, you can see quartz. Quartz, which is a mineral, is made from two elements, that is silicon and oxygen. Silicon and oxygen are two elements of quartz. Amorphous glass is also made from silicon and oxygen. And if you will see the fourth picture of structure of a chemical composition or chemical structure of our diamond is made only of one element, and that is carbon. Is it clear? So mineral may consist of one or more than one element. Minerals are of great importance as they provide materials that are required to manufacture industry-based items such as computers, cars, roads, etc. So the demand of a growing population, as you know, the population of our world is growing day by day. So the demand of a growing population had accelerated the mineral mining activities, which unfortunately impacts the environment adversely. You can see the first two pictures. In that pictures, mining activity is going on, which had unfortunately impact our environment very adversely. More than 2,000 minerals have been identified, and most of these contain inorganic compounds formed by various combinations of the 8 basic elements. Now, what are these 8 basic elements? They are oxygen, silicon, aluminium, ferrous, calcium, sodium, potassium, and magnesium. That makes up, these basic 8 elements make up 98.5% of the Earth's crust. You can see in the picture also, these basic 8 elements is made 98.5% of the Earth's crust. They are the most abundant elements in the Earth's crust. Minerals are found in rocks, and all rocks are made up of one or more than one mineral. A rock which has a high amount of particular mineral is called the ore of that mineral. Listen again, a rock which has a high amount of a particular mineral is called the ore of that mineral. For example, in the first picture, you can see gold ore. A rock with gold in it is known as abundant gold in it is known as gold ore. Then a rock with iron in it is known as iron ore, and rock with copper in it is known as copper ore. A rock that contains enough metal or metal compounds so that it can be mined profitably is known as ore. In the next picture, you can see hematite, it's an iron ore, bauxite, it's aluminium ore, and sphalerite, it's zinc ore. Many minerals are also found in areas which are not accessible, like the bed of the Arctic Ocean, which is frozen permanently, and in the continents such as Antarctica. Minerals are formed in different types of geological environment. In different environments where it will get different geographical conditions and under varying conditions of temperature and pressure. Minerals are created by natural processes and without any human interference. Minerals can be identified on the basis of their physical properties such as color, density, hardness, and chemical properties such as solubility. In the third picture, you can see the physical properties of quartz. If you will say the crystal shape of quartz, it's hexagonal. Luster, it's non-metallic. Color, it's clear to milky color. Streak, it's having no streak. Now what is streak? Streak in mineral refers to the color of powder produced when it is dragged on an unweathered surface or a hard plate. Is it clear? So what is streak? It's just the color of the powder produced by the mineral when it is dragged across unweathered surface. Hardness. Its rank is 7 in hardness in Mohs scale. Cleavage. It's having no cleavage. Now what is cleavage? Cleavage in mineral is a tendency to break along a flat planar surface as determined by the structure of its crystal lattice. So it's having no cleavage. Now fracture. It's conchoidal. Now what is fracture first of all? Fracture in minerals refer to texture and shape of the rock surface formed when mineral is fractured or breaked from there. Then specific gravity. The specific gravity of quartz is 2.65. Now what is specific gravity? Is the heaviness of the mineral. Now these are the physical properties of our quartz, and from these properties we can identify quartz. Next is the types of minerals. The minerals are of two types. One is metallic minerals and other is non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are further divided into ferrous and non-ferrous, and non-metallic are further divided or classified into organic and inorganic minerals. In our next video, we will deal with metallic minerals and we will deal with the classification of this metallic mineral, that is the ferrous and non-ferrous. Thank you.